Read and decide. Who started the fire? The option A, a fireman. Option B, Elsa's father. Option C, someone in the crowd. So this is about the reading comprehension. We have to read and find the answer at last. Okay, right. I'm gonna read. Please look at the pronunciation and the way of reading. They could see the smoke from the end of the street. It's our house, Elsa shouted. It can't be, Alan said.
Teacher can't hear.
But he knew. It can't be, Alan said. But he knew that Elsa was right and they both began to run. There was a small crowd in the street outside their house. Smoke was coming out of the front window of the downstairs room. But there was no sign of any flames. And there was no sign of old Mr. Cox, Elsa's father. He lived with them and had a room upstairs at the back of the house. He was not among the people in the crowd. Alan, his wife, shouted. He is asleep upstairs. He probably went to bed after and left the fire on in the front room. Alan, his wife, shouted. He is asleep upstairs. He probably went to bed and left the fire on in the front room. Her husband began to push his way through the crowd towards the front door. Don't be a fool, someone shouted. Wait for the firemen. They will be here any minute. But Alan knew that he must not wait. He put a handkerchief over his face and ran up the stairs. He pushed open the door of his father-in-law's room. Old Mr. Cox was sleeping peacefully. What's the matter? He cried as he walked up. Nothing to worry about. Just a small fire downstairs, Alan told him. Now get a coat on and put a handkerchief over your face like this. At the top of the stairs, Alan made old Mr. Cox climb onto his back. Then he put a handkerchief over his own face and went down the stairs as quickly as he could. There was a cheer from the crowd as he came out of the house. The fire engine and an ambulance arrived more or less at that moment. The first flames were just beginning to come out of the front window. It's all my fault, moaned old Mr. Cox as they carried him into the ambulance. I was reading the newspaper and I left it near the electric fire. Okay, so I just read, I didn't explain, so I'm going to explain now. So are you all ready? They could see the smoke from the end of the street. What is about the smoke? What do you mean? Smoke? Fire smoke.
Yes.
Pugai. We say pugai, right? Yes, that's the thing. It's our house, Elsa shouted. So she's pointing and she's saying, this is our house. So something is wrong somewhere. That's our house. She was shouting. It can't be, Alan said. Alan was saying positively, no, it can't be. But he knew that Elsa was right and they both began to run. So he knew the matter that that's a truth and he was comforting positively. There was a small crowd in the street outside their house. அப்ப வீட்டுக்கு வெளியே ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு கூட்டம் ஒன்னு வீட்டுக்கு வெளியே வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. Okay? Smoke was coming out of the front window. எங்க இருந்து வருது? From where does it come out?
from the front window.
From the front window of the downstairs room. But there was no any sign of any flames. There is no any flames, only the smoke comes out. And there was no sign of old Mr. Cox, Elsa's father. So who is Mr. Cox?
Elsa's father.
Elsa's father.
Elsa's
He
father,
lived with
Elsa's
them
father.
and had a room upstairs at the back of the house. He was not among the people in the crowd. So they were noticing one person is missing from the family. That is Elsa's father, Mr. Cox. வீட்ல ஒருத்தர காணலையே, அவர் இங்க தானே இருப்பாரு, அப்போ அவரே எங்க கூட்டத்துல அவரை காணலையே தேடுறாங்க. Alan, his wife shouted. யாரு கத்தினா Alan? And who shouted? Mrs. Cox, yes. He's asleep upstairs. She's telling he's asleep upstairs. அவர் மேல தூங்கி கொண்டிருக்கிறாரு. He probably went to bed and left the fire on in the front room. அவ சொல்றா அவர் மேல தூங்க போனாரு, அவரோட வேலையாதான் இருக்கும் நெருப்ப முன் ரூம்ல எரிச்சது. ஓகே, so left the fire, எரிய விட்டது, right? Her husband began to push his way through the crowd. அவர் ஆக்கள் எல்லாம் விலக்கிட்டு he is pushing forward, running forward, முன்னால ஓடி போறாரு towards the front door. So where was he running? Where was he running? He was running towards the front door. Don't be a fool, someone shouted. ஒருத்தர் யாரோ ஒருத்தர் கத்துறாங்க, முட்டாள்தனமான வேலை செய்ய வேணாம், முட்டாள்தனமா இருக்க வேணாம். Wait for the fireman. அவங்க சொல்றாங்க fireman வர வரைக்கும் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. Wait for the fireman. They'll be here any minute. So they will arrive at any moment. So wait till they come. எப்ப வேணாலும் அவங்க வருவாங்க, வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. But Alan knew that he must not wait. அவருக்கு தெரியுது அவர் வெயிட் பண்ண காத்திருக்க கூடாதுன்னு அவருக்கு விளங்குது. Because he is an elderly person is there upstairs. He put a handkerchief over his face. What does it mean? What does it mean? The handkerchief? Handkerchief? கைக்குட்டை hanky, yes, handkerchief on his face. அவரோட முகத்திலையும் போட்டுட்டு and ran up the stairs. ஓடி போறாரு மேல. He pushed open the door of his father-in-law's room. அவர் என்ன செய்றாரு? The father-in-law, wife the father, no? So he opened the door. He pushed and opened. Old Mr. Cox was sleeping peacefully. அவருக்கே தெரியாது அவரு peacefully அவர் தூங்கிட்டே இருக்காரு. Okay, but Alan knew which one? Okay, 10th one. What's the matter? He was asking, what's the matter? என்ன நடந்துச்சு, என்ன விஷயம்? He cried as he woke up. So he cried as he woke up in his doesn't mean he's crying. இந்த crying என்றது அழுகிறது இல்ல, shouted. He shouted. Okay, so he cried as he woke up. எழும்பினதும் என்ன நடந்துச்சு அப்படின்னு கத்தி கேக்குறாரு. Nothing to worry about. பயப்பட வேணாம், உன்னை பத்தியும் பயப்பட வேணாம். Just a small fire downstairs. கீழே ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு நெருப்பு. Alan told him, now get a coat and put a handkerchief over your face like this. கோட் எடுத்து உங்களோட மேல போட்டுட்டு ஹேண்ட்கர்ச்சீஃபும் நான் போட்ட மாதிரி நீங்க உங்களோட முகத்துக்கு மேல போடுங்க. Okay, and also is saying at the top of these stairs Alan made old Mr. Cox climb onto his back. So என்ன செய்றாரு, அவரோட மேல he is carrying on him. Then he put a handkerchief over his own face and went downstairs as quickly as he could. So he is also wearing the handkerchief over his face and he is running, carrying him on his back and running towards the downstairs. handkerchief கைக்குட்டி அவரோட ஃபேஸ்ல போட்டுட்டு அவரையும் தூக்கிட்டு இவர் ஓடுறாரு கீழே குயிக்கா. There was a cheer from the crowd as he came out of the house. வீட்ல இருந்து அவர் உள்ள வீட்டுக்குள்ள இருந்து வெளியே வரும் பொழுது எல்லாருமே cheer பண்றாங்க. வா 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 ஹுரே அப்படின்னு எல்லாரும் cheer பண்றாங்க. The fire engine and an ambulance arrived more or less at the moment. அப்போ லேட் ஆகாம அவங்களும் வந்துட்டாங்க. The first flames were just beginning to come out of the front window. அப்ப முதலாவது எங்க இருந்து வந்துச்சு? Where is the place? From the window, front window. It is all my fault. Who says it is all my fault? Who says like that? It's all my fault. அதெல்லாமே இது எல்லாமே ஏண்ட தவறுதான். Yeah. Mourned. What does it mean? Mourned. Regretting. Okay. Mourned. All Mr. புலம்புறது, கவலையா புலம்புறது. Okay. All Mr. Cox as they carried him into the ambulance. I was reading the newspaper and left it near the electric fire. அப்ப அவர் என்ன செஞ்சிட்டு இருந்தாரு? What he was doing? He was reading the newspaper and just left it near the fire. newspaper வாசிச்சுட்டு read பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தபடியே அவர் வந்து அந்த நெருப்புக்கு ஃபயர் பிளேஸ்க்கு பக்கத்துல அந்த பேப்பரை வெச்சிட்டாரு. அது it quickly catches, right? நெருப்பு குயிக்கா பிடிச்சிருச்சு. Okay, right. Now look at this activity A. Find these words and phrases in the text. There was no sign, any minute, stairs, peacefully, a cheer, ambulance. So now look at the right meaning. You have to match the meaning with the phrases. A shout of happiness, they couldn't see him, very soon, a car to take people to hospital, quietly, steps inside the house. So first one, a shout of happiness. What is the phrase? Cheering. Very good. A cheer. Very good. Second one is they couldn't see him.
There was a sign.
Very good. There was no sign of. Okay, அவர் இருந்ததுக்கு எந்த அடையாளமும் இல்ல. சைன் என்ன அடையாளம். அப்போ அவர் இருந்ததுக்கு எந்த அடையாளமும் இல்ல. The similar meaning is they couldn't see him. Okay. Third one, very soon. Any minute. Very good. Fourth one, a car to take people to hospital. Ambulance. Actually, it is not a car. It is a vehicle. Okay. Right. Fifth one, quietly. Peacefully. The right answer. That's the right answer. Sixth one, steps inside the house. Stairs. Staircase. We say staircase. படிகளுக்கு நாங்க சொல்றது stairs. படிக்கட்டு staircase. Okay, very good. Now let's move to the activity B. Choose the right answer. Elsa and Alan ran to their house because they saw flames, smoke, crowd. Which one? Smoke. புகை. அவங்க புகையை மட்டும்தான் பார்த்தாங்க. Okay, எரியிற நெருப்பை பார்க்கல. Next one, second one. Outside their house, Elsa and Alan found their family, Elsa's father, some people. What they found? Some people. Yeah, strangers. Third one, Elsa's father lived with them in the next house. Option C, in the front room. With them. Elsa's father lived with them. Correct. Fourth one, Alan went into the house because he wanted to see the fire. Option B, to talk to Elsa's father. Option C, to save Elsa's father. Yeah, Alan went into the house because why? Because to save Elsa's father. Correct. So who is Elsa? Alan's wife. Okay. Who is Mr. Cox? Elsa's father. Correct. When Alan found him, Elsa's father was behind the door, on the stairs, in bed. In bed, yes. Because why? How did you find that? What is the phrase?
Because he was sleeping.
Yeah, he was sleeping peacefully. Very good. Alan brought Elsa's father out of the house in his arms, in his coat, on his back. What is the right answer?
On his back.
On his back. Yes, he was carrying on his back. பின்னால தூக்கிட்டு வந்தாரு. Right answer. Very good. Now look at the activity C. What do the words in italics refer to? I have explained italics means The slanting way of
Slanting
writing.
letters.
Yes, slanting letters. Very good. So what do the words in italics refer to? One,
He.
but he knew she was right. Ooh, this he. Pronoun he is.
Alan.
Very good. Yes, that's the right answer. Indicating this, but he. This he is indicating Alan, and this she,
And Elsa.
Elsa. Very good.
Elsa.
Second one, he lived with them. This he is indicating he lived.
Elsa's father.
Elsa's father, or you can say Mr. Cox.